Hello, my friends. We are going to draw the little mermaid, Ariel. I draw her eyes, her eyelash, then her eyebrow, her nose and her smile. Then I draw her face. I draw her ears. I draw her bow tie. I draw her hair. Let's draw her body. We are going to give her a little neck. And we are going to curve out for her shoulders and her topping. And a little curve. Then give her a tiny waist. Her tail is going to start. I draw her beautiful tail.
Glide, glide, glide through the ocean so wide. Melodies, adventures with the tide, with her friends by her side.
I draw her arms,
making memories that forever will last. Melody visits the gardens of coral so bright, where the colors dazzle up you.
Let's complete her beautiful hair.
She chats with the clownfish, plays tag with the rays. In this vibrant paradise, she spends her days.
Look, Ariel is so cute.
Deep and true. Melody's world in a hue of blue. From the sandy seabed to the surface light, every day is a joy, every scene a delight. Sometimes she races with the swift ocean breeze, surfacing to see the stars.
Good job, my friends.
Whispering secrets to the moon, so bright in the quiet of the ocean, deep into the night. Swim, swim, swim in the
Let's coloring with pink color.
Melody, the mermaid in her wonderland, from the coral
Red color.
to the deep blue abyss. In her underwater world, there's nothing amiss. When the moonlight touches the waves at night, Melody's scales shimmer in the pale moonlight. She sings a lullaby to the creatures below.
Her red hair is beautiful.
Where the soft winds blow, swim, swim, swim in the sea so grand. Melody, the mermaid in her wonderland, from the coral gardens to the deep blue abyss. In her underwater world, there's nothing amiss. So if you ever wonder where the mermaids play, just close your eyes and drift away to the world of melody, where dreams come true. In the ocean's heart, under skies so blue.
Purple color. Her beautiful tail is jade blue color. Her skin is cream color.
Where dreams come true. In the depths of the ocean, where the seaweed dances, mermaids sing of ocean romances. Playing with the seahorses, racing the tide, in their underwater world, where joy can't hide. Under the sea, in a realm so fine, where the water sparkles a dreamy brine. Under the sea, where the coral beds line, in the magical world, so serene and divine. Ooh, yeah.
Brown color.
Around the ancient shipwrecks, treasures untold, where the stories of the deep are bravely bold.
spring green color.
Mermaids in their splendor fulfill every wish. Under the sea, where the ocean sings,
Leaf green color.
they swirl in the water like graceful kings. Under the sea, where the mysteries unwind, unwind.
Mint green color.
Leaving no cares behind. Ooh, yeah.
Good job, my friends. And the last one is blue color.
Azure blue. Mermaids whisper secrets only known by a few. In their cave of crystals, in the light of the pearls, they speak of the ocean, its swirls and its worlds. Under the sea, where the tales are
Good job, my friends.
with the little mermaids, each day's fun.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.